Hi friends, welcome to my channel Yoda. See, we are going through a tough situation, or we are going through an uncertain situation right now. Most of we are locked inside, and we all are worried about what is going to happen after the lockdown get over, or what is going to happen to our business, or what is going to happen to the industry where we are working, or the job what we are doing. So many people are actually going through an uncertain situation. And we all are worried about the situation, right? What is going to happen future? Today, I am going to tell 7 ways to train your mind during uncertain time. So these are very important 7 steps which will help you to train your mind, because it's very important that we should take care of our mind this time, right? So see, it is said that a weak mind always try to find problems, right? Or a average mind, it will try to find challenges. But when a situation comes, the strong mind, they will try to find out an opportunity. So what I want you to do is, you need to make sure that your mind get trained and become more strong, and you will be able to find out some opportunity from this situation, right? So what are these 7 important steps? Number 1, free from fear. The majority of you will have a fear inside your mind what is going to happen, or worry in your mind that what is going to happen in your future, right? But one thing what we need to understand is, fear is not the solution for anything. First thing is that we need to clean our mind. We need to take all the fear outside. See how the fear is getting originated. See, fear is a negative thoughts or a negative emotions, right? So what we are feeding inside our mind, the similar kind of thoughts normally get generated, right? So it is something like, let us say, if you sow a seed of coconut, it will come only coconut, right? From a coconut tree, only coconut will come. Nothing else will come. Similar way, when you sow some negative, when you give a negative information to your mind, only negative thought will get generated, and negative emotion will come accordingly. So what first thing you need to understand is, you need to give only positive information to your mind. Let us stop accepting all negative information. Most of you may be now spending in front of TV, getting updates about corona and what's happening worldwide economies and recession, all those negative news, right? So what I want to say is, make sure that you cut all those informations. Make sure that you don't further get into or deep into all those information. So whatever you are supposed to know, you know that. Okay, you don't need to know much further. So first thing, cut all those negative news and try to give more positive news to your mind. Read good books. Okay, now a lot of books are available online, so you can read a lot of good books. A lot of good YouTube channels are there. Try to watch a lot of motivational speeches. Right? So make sure that you feed your mind with a lot of positive information. So when you keep on feed a lot of positive information, whatever the contaminated that information, whatever the dirt which is in your mind, which is causing fear, that will go out. Okay. So make sure that you free from your fear first. Okay. So keep a lot of give a lot of positive information. Make sure that your mind always generate a positive thoughts, positive emotions. Okay. Then the second one, what I want to say is, take decisions. Okay. See, many people, even though they have skill, they have a talent, they have knowledge, still they won't be able to go take a further step in their life because of fear, or because of lack of taking a decision, right? So for what I want to say, you need to take decision. Decision can be right or wrong, that we don't know. That is only after taking the decision we'll understand, right? But make sure that you keep on take decisions. Out of 10 decisions, if your 2 decisions are right, you will be successful in your life. Okay, so let balance 8 decision goes wrong. Doesn't matter. But make sure that you keep on take decision. That is one good quality which all leadership people will have. Right? So you keep on take decisions and try to do something. And out of 10, let us say 8 will go bad, but 2 decisions will make you more successful and happy in your life. Right? Then next step, what I want to say is, appreciate yourself. Always create a habit of appreciating yourself. See, you have at least 2 hands, you appreciate yourself. Okay, at least I have 2 hands, I have 2 legs, I have a good, beautiful, healthy body. At least I am not in a hospital, I am inside home and watching this YouTube channel, whatever it may be. So appreciate yourself. Okay, so when you appreciate, basically what happens, a lot of happy hormones get released inside your brain, and that will make you happy. And when you create that positive vibration, automatically you will try to attract positive things in your life. So make sure that in order to keep yourself always happy and positive, keep on appreciate yourself. Okay, at least you have a shelter right now to stay. You have at least you have able to have 3 or 4 times food every day, whatever it may be. Okay, appreciate yourself. Then very important step what I want to say is create a list of achievements. Whatever achievements you have in your life, create a list of those achievements. Like you have done your graduation, you have done a post graduation, or you got a job even without a graduation, whatever it may be. Okay, whatever achievement, even let it be very small achievement, like let us say you got an appreciation mail from your boss saying that you have completed a job before the time, whatever. Okay, so make sure that you create a big list of achievement. Okay, let it be very small, but still make sure that you create a big list of achievement. Okay, when you create a big list of achievement, automatically what happens, lot of these kind of positive information goes to your mind, and automatically your self-esteem, self-confidence get boosted up, right? So that basically this kind of situation, it is very important that we should keep the confidence level always at the higher level. So this kind of activity, creating an achievement list, will help you to boost your confidence level. So first thing what you need to do today is create an achievement list. Whatever achievement, let it be you have at least you bought a house, or you have a bike, you have a cycle, or you have a car, you have 2 kids, you got married, whatever it may be. Okay, at least you got a job into some XYZ company, or you have a business. Whatever achievement, create a list of that achievement. Okay, then attend self-development training. This is very important in our life. See, we normally have a habit that, okay, a behavior or a concept in our mind that after our formal education, we don't have to learn anything. But it is very important that we should keep on develop ourselves. Okay, so normally the formal educations, whatever we learn, it's a base of our life. And we have learned only the subject. Nobody taught in our schools or colleges how to be successful in our life or how to be happy in our life. Correct? So it is very important that we should invest on self-development training and acquire more knowledge, and how to, it will let you know how to be happy and how to be successful in your life. So it is something like a Google map. Like let us say you want to travel from Bangalore to Mumbai or Bangalore to Hyderabad. Okay, so by attending the self-development training, it will act as a Google map where it will show you the path. Okay, from Bangalore to Hyderabad, this is the route we need to pay. This may be the obstacles you may be finding on the way. And if you properly follow that, around that particular time, you will be reaching at your destination. Right? So this kind of self-development training normally will help you to achieve your goal, achieve your vision or dream, whatever it may be, on time or through a proper way. Right? So keep on invest on self-development training. And this is the one best investment what you can do in life. Because it was even told by Warren Buffett, the best or the wisest investment ever you can do is investment on self. So this is the best time to invest on self. Keep on invest on self-development training. Okay. Nowadays you don't have to go out and sit in a hotel room. You can sit at your own home, and there are a lot of online portals are available, including mine. So log in and subscribe for many courses which can help you to achieve your goal and learn it. Okay, even Jim Rohn, a very famous entrepreneur and motivational speaker, author, he told your income seldom exceed your personal development. So whatever your income is always directly proportional to your personal development. So make sure that you develop always yourself. Okay. Then the next important step, what I want to say is accept changes. Changes are the only one which never changes. Right? So always make sure that you create a mindset which can always accept changes. Changes will happen. Maybe the industry where you are working or the business or the model what you are running right now may change in the future. Right? So changes will keep on happen. It's only thing what we need to understand is changes are good for development. You see, you would have seen like first industrial revolution, right? When the machine invented, a lot of people were opposing this. Right? But the invention of machine actually helped to get more productivity and more production, right? Which actually helped to develop the economy. Same way second industrial revolution came, science and mass production. We are at the end of the third industrial revolution, where like digitalization. And we are about to enter into the fourth industrial revolution, where we will have three combination, like we will have Internet of Things, and we will have 3D printing, and we will have artificial intelligence. So this will be a combination of all these three things. So whenever these kind of changes are happening, first thing what we need to understand is it is good for us. It is good for all human beings. Only thing, we should be able to change according to the changes. Right? We should be parallelly able to change according to the changes. Otherwise, what happen? We will be somewhere outside. We will not be able to grow according to the economy or according to the industry. Right? So create a habit or create a mindset of accepting changes. Changes will keep on happening. Maybe after the lockdown get over, the industry where we are working, totally the face may get changed. Or many corporate will now force their employees to sit at home only and work from home only. They will not even call back those employees to work from home, work from office, because they understand, okay, they can at least save in some cost in the infrastructure, right? So a lot of changes will happen, but always accept changes and understand that it is good for us only. Right? So create that mindset that changes will happen, and changes are always good for human being. Right? Now, the next step what I want to say is, the final step what I want to say is, be a part of positive groups. Okay, as I told, we are a part of many Facebook group or WhatsApp group or many business groups, whatever it may be. Okay, always make sure that you are a part of some positive group. It can be Facebook group, it can be a WhatsApp group, because as I told, when you pass information, it's very important that what kind of information you are passing to your mind. If you are passing a wrong information, it is going to spoil your mind. It is going to again generate fear, anxiety, worry, lack of confidence, everything will come. Right? So, but this kind of uncertain situation, it is very important that we should make our mind strong. For that, we should be a part of some strong groups, some positive mindset groups. Okay, there are even, I have my own mind mastery group. So if you want, you can join in that group. Lot of groups are like this. So be a part of these kind of groups, which will help you to get a lot of good positive informations, and that will help you to make your mind strong. Right? So friends, these are the 7 important ways through which you can train your mind during this uncertain time. Make sure that you practice it and utilize it. Wishing you all a happy and successful life. Thank you very much.